dito kami guys, nag-stop kami kasi we're going to try ito, Lalita Cafe. So let's try kasi ito yung isang nirekomenda nila na masarap daw ang pagkain dito. So hinihintay ko yung mga kasama ko. Ito ang loob ng ano, pinipili kami ng
Let when they want to.
Yan guys, may mga umbrella sila, oh, maganda. Grabe, real flower guys, oh. Awesome. Ang daming kulay, lahat ng kulay. Ay, low battery na ako. Ayan guys, oh. So many flowers. Grabe guys, oh, ang daming flowers. Wow. So many flowers guys, oh. Parang ano dito guys, parang nasa spa. Nakaka-relax. Saka yung amoy niya guys, parang nilagyan siya ng ano, incense. Ayan. Yes, I'm here. Coming! Daming flower guys. Oh. Para siyang ispa guys. Umuusok-usok. Tapos ang bango. Oh, it's all white flowers. I like the white flowers. Ano sila guys? Fresh. Fresh na fresh. Mga flowers. Okay! Ang dami guys. Andyan yung restaurant sa taas guys. Andyan yung restaurant. Diyan naka ano yung Lalita Cafe. Bago ka pumasok ay bibili ka pa ng ticket kasi para siyang spa guys. Nakaka-relax talaga yung amoy, as in. Daming flower guys. Ayan, nakaka-relax pa. O dalawa pa lang ang restaurant nila. Ayan. May mga flowers din to. Ayan, dito kami sa isang ano. Dito kami sa cafe. Doon na. Gutom na yung dalawa. Bago pumunta sa cafe, o, di ba? Ang dami guys. This one has lots of nuts. Yum, yum. Ito ay blueberry cheesecake. Ito ay cherry cheesecake. Macadamia cheesecake. And macadamia cheesecake. Ang daming fishy guys. Hoy. Ang dami. So we stop by here guys to have some snacks. Yan, ang daming fish. Be waiting for the food. Ito yung nilalagay nila guys, oh, tapos may incense, kaya mabango. So, tapos na kami nagmerienda. So, pupunta na kami sa kotse. Then, bisitahin namin yung ibang temple. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Punta kami sa isa pang temple. Sulitin namin ang Sunday.
พระอะไรไว้พวกนั้นไม่เหลือนั่นน่ะข้างหลังนั่นเป็นชาวเขาทั้งนั้นน่ะเขาลูกนั้นน่ะ
Oh, ang liit. Hindi masyadong makita.
แต่ถ้าเป็นที่อื่นไม่
Ang ganda ng view.
กินแอมเวย์นั่นแหละดีที่สุด
Siri. Cannot Siri.
That's the place that I told you before you want to go, right? If bigger like this, bigger.
Guys.
ตรงนี้จะเป็นจุดถ่ายรูป
Wow.
ตรงนั้นจะเป็นร้านขาย
Ganda ng view, oh.
ชาถ่ายรูป
Oh, okay, okay. ไว้ตรงไหน
บ
กัน
นนั่นจะเป็นไอ้
Dito na kami sa bagong temple. Ang dami guys, oh. This is the green tea. Is it oolong tea or green tea? It's a tea. It's a farm tea. Magmula doon. Yung nilampasan namin, hindi ko na na-video. Daming mga turista. Maganda oh. Ayan pa. Ayan yung malapit ng harvesting. Nagda-dark na siya. So maganda dito. Kasi meron siyang taas. Andun yung mag-ina kasama ko. Oh, may mga flowers. May tumutugtog guys. Maraming tiyo. Wala hanggang doon. Ang lawak ng taniman nila ng tea. May tinda silang tea dito guys. Ang daming flower guys. Oh. May white. Ganda oh. Daming flowers. Ito guys oh. Chai Thai Cafe. Ito ang may-ari ng
มาอยู่ไม่นิ่งอ่ะ
tea. Guys oh. My Giko. No, it's real.
It's gecko. It's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby Giko.
I hate it.
Why?
What?
It's a baby one.
พี่ชายแป๊บนึงโอ้โหเตรียมตัวเลยเหรอ
Oh, may ano siya. Ganyan pala yung ano guys oh. Tea oh. Na-harvest na yata yung iba. Ang ganda guys oh, diba? Tea. Tapos doon ng picture. Pwedeng mag-picture doon. After this guys, pupunta kami sa isa pang temple. Ayan. And there's a lot of flowers. Guys, madalang makabakasyon sila lang mag-isa. So sinusulit na. Kasi bukas ay meron akong interview sa immigration. So, ayan din ang dahilan kung bakit ako nandito. Magha-holidays. Ayan.
So flower สวยมาเอา
White flower.
เอาโทรศัพท์มานู่นเดี๋ยวเข้ามาถ่าย
Ayan, pupunta na kami guys sa ano. Dito yung shop ng tea. Ganda naman flowers so white oh. Guys, ang dami nilang ilang-ilang oh. Ang dami nilang ilang-ilang. Ang daming puno ng ilang-ilang. How you call this flower in Thailand? There's a lot ilang-ilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. We call in Philippine ilang-ilang. Yeah. Ilang-ilang. Ang dami rin ng ilang-ilang yan guys oh. Puro ilang-ilang. Ang dami ilang-ilang oh. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming nag-explore dito sa tea farm. So balik na kami sa kotse at pupunta kami sa another temple. Ayan guys, andito kami sa isang temple ulit. Kaya lang very crowded siya. Nakakatakot. Pumunta kasi I know very crowded. Crowded na crowded ang temple. Diyan kukuha ng ticket papasok. Very crowded. Ewan ko lang kung papasok kami. Malaking hotel din pala itong. Ayan, nag-check-in na kami guys.
Let's try it.
This one also beef.
Or already I order beef only.
คุณพี่สั่งออเดอร์เพิ่มเรียกพนักงานได้เลยนะคะ
ขอบคุณมากเลยนะคะ This is tofu.
Oh, the marinated. So ayan guys, balik na kami sa hotel, tapos na kami ng dinner. Ayan, mag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito. Para lang probinsya. Dito ang hotel guys. Andito kami sa Heritage Hotel Chiang Rai. Maganda rin pala ito dito. It's raining, Misha. You cannot go swim.
Yes I think raining also ป่วยพรุ่งนี้ไม่ต้องตื่นแต่เช้า
Maganda rin yung pool nila.
ตั้งแต่6 โมง
Umuulan nga lang. It's raining. Ay, meron silang gabi.
tomorrow morning